So most people find it difficult to buy crypto on Trust Wallet. This video is typically how to buy crypto on Trust Wallet without having any issues. So just stay tuned to the end of the video, like, subscribe. That's the only thing you have to do for me in this video. Let's just go through the tutorial right now. All right. There are actually few ways you buy coin on Trust Wallet. All right, so first of all, for those that are living in some countries where crypto is wait, I know you are anxious to watch this video, but I want you to just do me a favor right now. Please hit the subscription button below and then like the video, and you can continue. If you have any other thoughts, comment it, and then I'll always look out for them. Back to your video. Is banned. Like Nigeria, you cannot buy crypto directly with your card or directly from your bank, so you have to go through intermediaries, either through P2P or through an exchange online, and that's where Binance come in. So if you don't have a Binance account, check in the link in the description, and then you will see a Binance link. Register, and that's where you can buy crypto from P2P. All right, or you could use PayPal or using through Paxful. Anyways goes, but it's always P2P. But on Trust Wallet, this is how to do it. Now, first of all, you can see the buy button right here. All right, then if you tap on the buy, you can see you can select the coin that you want to buy. I don't know if you can buy 7. Let me tap on this particular one, and then enter the amount you want to buy. So there are different providers right here that you could choose from. All right, and the least you have to buy here is $150. Let me try 18. See, there's no button showing. All right, but from $150 upward, that's what you can buy with your card. So remember, once again, if you're living in a country like Nigeria where crypto is banned, never try this. All right, then you could buy any other token as well directly with your credit card. You can see different payment provider, MoonPay. All right, so there are so many. All right, all with different rates. All right, you can see we have MoonPay here, Simplex, RAM, and Transact. All right, they all have different rates, so the best rate will be shown to you. Okay, let me tap on Bitcoin right here. See, another one, mostly MoonPay will pop up. MoonPay has always been the best right here, so you can buy directly with your card right here. All right, so those that are living in country like Nigeria, you want to buy any other altcoin. So first of all, the first thing you have to do is you need smart chain. All right, you need to buy smart chain. The reason why, if you're buying crypto on BEP20, that is on smart chain network, BEP20 network, you need to buy some quantity of smart chain. So if you're buying coins on Ethereum network, you need to buy some quantities of Ethereum. Then let me just start with the smart chain. For instance, if you're buying coin on smart chain, first of all, you need to go to your Binance. Now when you go to your Binance, click on wallets. When you click on wallet, okay, click on funding, then click on P2P, then click on buy, then click on BNB. Then here you could choose the option right here, buy your token from here. Once you're done buying from here, then transfer your token by clicking withdraw and sending the BNB back to this smart chain network, smart chain on Trust Wallet. When you send to smart chain, then you click on dApps. If your Pancake may not be showing this way, so you have to look for Pancake Swap, or if you scroll all the way down, you find it somewhere around here, just the way you can see mine somewhere here. All right, tap on it. Once you tap on it, it will prompt you to connect your wallet. So if your wallet is not already connected, so you need to connect it, and then yeah, once you connect it, you choose the coin that you want to buy with smart chain. Let's say I want to buy WB coin. Okay, World Bank WB. So now enter the amount of WB I want to buy. Always enter the amount in smart chain. All right, so if you're entering the amount, always enter the amount in the coin that you want to buy. So if I'm entering the amount in smart chain, let's say I want to buy, let's say 0.1 BNB worth of WB. All right, and I've worth of WB. Okay, so on the WB side, I have to click on WB, remove the last 0 and add it back, remove the last digit and add it back, just so that the transaction will go through. All right, that's just it. All right. So with that, now you can actually buy crypto on Trust Wallet using Pancake Swap. So if you're actually using buying Ethereum, okay, you have Ethereum, you have to deposit some quantity of Ethereum on your wallet, and mind you, Ethereum should be Ethereum coin. Okay, so once you deposit Ethereum, still go to the same D apps and then you scroll all the way, look for Uniswap. It's either you're using Uniswap or there are other swapping platform apart from Uniswap. Connect your wallet just same way you have your wallet connected this way. Then here you choose whatever token you want to buy. Let me choose like what token do I choose right here? Let me choose AND for instant random token, then enter the amount. Let's say I want to use 0.1 Ethereum to buy ant. Okay, because I don't have any balance, so this transaction will not go through. So now you see insufficient balance. So once if there is any balance, once you click transact right here, the transaction will go through. So with that being said, this is just the simple way on how to buy coin on Trust Wallet. All right, so you can buy directly with your card, you can swap. If you're in countries like Nigeria, once again, do not use card, so that your account, both your bank account, will not be blocked. So subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and comment. See you in my next video. So now you have gotten to this point of this video, please do well to just subscribe or like the video and then comment in the comment section. Always follow me on Instagram at BarinuaTradex, Facebook at 𝗦𝗚𝗡𝗦𝗧𝗏. Alright, and then we'll do other things from there. Alright.